Good morning, ladies. How are you? It is early. No, it's not too early. It's 10 o'clock, 10:08. I am just up, relaxing. I don't wash my dishes. I don't put them in the dishwasher. The dishwasher's going. The sun is shining through. I have got myself together. I was like, I'm not getting dressed today. I'm not getting dressed today. It was gonna be a self-care day today. I'm gonna get my nails done and get me a pedicure and buy myself some flowers. But my nail lady, she doesn't work on Sunday. And I was like, ah. So I have to wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna get our nails done tomorrow. I'll get my flowers while I'm out because I'll be on that side of town. And I'm gonna take myself to Nordstrom, do all this stuff tomorrow. So today's gonna be a chill day. I'm gonna just make dinner and just relax, and I'm gonna do some planning, and that's about it. But since I have your attention, how are you doing? How are you? We are reframing from last week's conversations. Pretty much the last 3 days I've been doing like conversations and stuff. We're refraining from it. We're focusing on us. So, and saying all of that, I've been sitting here thinking, like, I've been thinking about like some little hacks that we can like just do to like just feel amazing again, and reclaim our energy, and it's small little things. It's not nothing crazy or anything like that. So like right now I'm drinking coffee and I'm not supposed to, and be honest with you. And I have my bottle of water sitting right here. I just recently bought me a water bottle so I can just always have water ready to go. So I just did, so I can just carry it in my car. And sometimes water bottles, if I leave them out too long, I'm not gonna drink it. I'm just gonna, I'll waste it. So I feel like the bottle, I'll show you probably later on in another, video, but the bottle I'm talking about, I feel it's a little bit better than plastic, if you will. So I was sitting here, I'm just in my moment, and I was like, you know what? We've just been going through so much, we've been feeling tired, we've been feeling run down. We've just been all over the place. So I just want to share with you like some simple hacks that we can just kind of like implement as we just transition to the next phase of things, for us women over 40. So some things that we can do, just prioritizing ourselves, okay? And these are not like state of the art, nothing like this. Is just small little hacks that can just make you feel better. And you may sit and say, I'm doing it now. Do more. You'll be so surprised. So the first one that I have, we're in teaching moment. Prioritizing water. Hence, that's why I mentioned my water bottle. You can get any water bottle from anywhere. I just feel like something better than plastic, something that can kind of like insulate, keep your water cold, so you always have something on hand. So I'm gonna try to move away from plastic, and plus, they say about plastic. So we're gonna just focus on getting us something nice and cute that we can always have. I feel like, at night, I don't know about you, I'm in my late 40s, so sometimes I, sweat at night and whatnot. And in the morning, it's good to have that water that's ready for you. It don't have to be in a water bottle. It can just be in, say, a glass, a glass, period. It can be in a glass. It can be in your cup. It can be whatever, a mug, whatever your choice of drinking container is. But just having that water for you when you wake up to just rehydrate your body, is so important. We don't realize how much our body dehydrates at night. So just kind of rehydrate your body in the morning and give it that good wake me up. I'm gonna go pick me up some lemons so I can squeeze some lemons, and you can even have it sitting overnight. It's okay, but I'm gonna do that. So that's just like a little quick, just to kind of like prioritize, like rehydrate in your body. This is just some little hacks here. We're not state of the art. Adding more protein to your breakfast. Now, I am not a breakfast person, but I do find when I do eat breakfast, even if it's just like, I like scrambled eggs, but I like a hard-boiled egg too. I don't know. I do. I find when I eat breakfast in the morning, I'm not like hungry to eat so much during the day, and I don't find myself wanting to snack and eat something sweet. As of recent, I've been on a sweet kick, but even though But those of you who may not know, I recently had a hysterectomy, and I still go through that PMS, that once a month thing, because I do have my ovaries. But yeah, just add some protein. You know, like I said, I love eggs. You can do yogurt. Greek yogurt is, you know, really high in protein. Have a protein shake. I'm not a real big fan of protein powders. I used to be, but as time went on, I kind of moved away from that. I don't know. I just can't. But protein does help you feel fuller. There's so many other ways to get protein in, you know. But if you're a protein powder gal, keep going, keep going. But just get that protein suppresses. Well, I don't say suppress. Yeah, I guess the word suppress would be fine. You know. Move, girl. Now, if you like these type of conversations, I have more of these type of conversations on my podcast, We Age Graceful. Comfy, cozy setup, you know, nice and chill, you know, we just talking it out. And I like to keep it real personable. So come on over there, hang out with me on the podcast. I do have the audio podcast, you know, if you want it on iTunes or Spotify, but I do have the YouTube version where you can kind of see me rock out just like this. So come on over, hang out with your girl. But incorporating moving your body, even if it's 5-10 minutes. I do work from home, and I recently cleaned my garage out so I can have that. I see my dog. She's a little butt. I recently cleaned my garage out so I can do more movement. And as we're getting older, you know, we have to keep our body moving. So what I do is I walk in my garage. I walk, you know, 20 minutes in the morning, 20 minutes in the evening. And if I feel like, you know, I'm having a moment and I need to kind of like regroup, I'll go walk again. And not only that, I walk my neighborhood, you know. So just move, you know, stretching, you know, your body will thank you later. You know, put that phone down for me. Put the phone down for me. You know, I feel like I've had my phone in my hand during these last few months more than normal because you're looking for something that you're never gonna get and you're not gonna get. But, you know, it's just what it is. But, you know, we're gonna do that. So my next hack, my fourth hack is gonna be incorporating, you know, daily relaxation. What can you do to kind of remove your mind from the everyday hustle and bustle, society, whatever, you know, meditation. I know it may sound cliche, everybody's talking about it, but it's true. It doesn't have to be an hour, 30 minutes. Sometimes just sitting back for just 5-10 minutes and just zoning out can be the perfect thing to do. So just try it. I'm telling you, I'm not gonna say you wrong. Journaling. Let me tell you, I'm gonna show you what I got right here. Let me just get it. I am a planner girl. I know for some of you that watch me, I tried to do digital planning because I was just wasting things. But I am a planner. I like paper. I'm a stationery whore. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like paper. So I just got me a new planner. I got this one yesterday from Target. It was only like the $17, and this is a big baby right here, but it's not big meaning like wide. It's not an average sheet, but it's a good size. It starts for October, November, and December. October is over, November is halfway through, but it's gonna help me just glide in, and I can always tear those out if I choose to, but they can stay. Has a little tab right here. Ladies, organize your day. Okay? Journaling. Keita bought me this. For those of you who know more Keita here on YouTube, that is my friend, and she got me this journal book. So, ladies, make priority to jot down your thoughts. I'm going to do a combination of journaling and a combination of brain dump. Because you'd be so surprised. Our brain is not meant to store all the things. It's not at all. Our brain is meant to process. So I do have a digital system and I do have my paper system. For me, pen to paper helps with retaining, and it's satisfying. That checkoff is very satisfying. Something about a checkoff in the digital world is different from a checkoff in pen to paper. It's just different. Let me know. And also, relax. I know some of us say, oh, we need 5 to 6 hours of sleep. Baby, take a nap. I'm a nap queen. I still nap. People that know me in like real life know I am a napper. Okay? I will nap I don't have a problem if it's right here on this sofa. I'll throw my head back and get one in, okay? Relax, put yourself first. That's what you have to prioritize, okay? Daily relaxation. And last but not least, I just mentioned this, go to bed. Get your rest. Go to bed. Like pushing your bedtime a little bit early. You know, sometimes we have to sit up to about 11, or we get, like me, I'll be in the bed by 9:30. Okay, I'm in the bed under the covers. I don't have a TV in my room, so sometimes I will get caught up with like the iPad, or I'll get caught up with a book or something like that, or I'll get caught up with just writing, like just writing and just vomiting. Because I mentioned before in previous episodes of my podcast that I stopped journaling because I felt like my brain was going so much faster than how I was writing. I was scribbling on paper, writing up on 2 lines, and I have a large handwriting to start with. So I would tear the book up. It's just a mess. But nevertheless, try to put like relaxing music on, get a candle, get some spray to put on your bed, spray the room. Better yet, take a shower, spray yourself. Just have that wind down. I recently did an episode on doing like an actual self-care day. Like when you know you having like some rough weeks or you had a rough month, sometimes you can't go out and spend so much money on self-care. So you got to figure out ways to how to do it cost effectively or no cost at all on the free. I did an episode on that, so go check that one out. But yes, let's kind of recap. I don't want to like prolong this, but I just want to come in after all what we had going on, just to kind of say, how can we just kind of like pour into ourselves and feel amazing again, and just some simple hacks to just, you know, maintain our good energy. So we're going to prioritize our morning hydration. We're going to add protein to our breakfast and start having breakfast. You know, I'm not a breakfast girl. So if you are, share down below how us other, you know, women can incorporate that, you know. Move your body, relaxation, and last but not least, prioritize rest and go to bed 30 minutes early. So ladies, if you enjoyed this, I know we are in a harsh climate right now and it's going to get good. I'm not worried about it, but just let me know if you like this, and just kind of like just us shooting the breeze, having a good conversation. Like I said, I do more of these on my podcast channel, so let me know if you like this and we can kind of keep it going. I'm just casual. I'm just in my robe. And matter of fact, this is a man's robe. I got this from Kohl's, y'all. This is from about 3 Christmases ago. It was on sale and I was like, you know what, I can wear that. But if you like casual stuff like this, just let me know. We can keep it going and go from there. I do plan on doing some like more makeup videos and beauty content, but for right now, we're just kind of like just pouring into ourselves. So let me know if you are into it. Let me know.